Well, howdy there, partner. How you doing today? This is Hello Beauty with Emily, of course. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Look at my cute Valentine's looking nails. So cute, right? Oh my gosh, love is in the air. I'll be trying out a bunch of stuff today, a bunch of eyeliners. These are the JUVIA'S Place liquid liners. I have tried out 2 other colors in my previous video. If you want to check that out, I'll put it right here. I am finishing my Ulta haul from like forever ago, so I'm gonna do a test on what these look like, the color and the vibrancy and all that good stuff, so stay tuned. So we're gonna first try these 2 out. This one's Lilac and this one is, what does that say? Tangerine Dream. I'm gonna put one on one eye, one on the other eye. We'll see what they look like. Now, in my other video, I did review the other 2 products and said that if you're gonna buy these, please make sure that you have oil to remove them, because otherwise it's gonna be kind of hard to get off your eyelid. Let's try the Lilac first. Okay. This is cute. I like this color a lot. I feel like it's a lot easier to put on the color without already a bunch of stuff on your eyelids. So maybe if you want to just use these for like drawing or just simply a plain liner on your lid, I would recommend that probably, you know what I'm saying? So let's try Tangerine Dream. Oh, and you see, look at that. So as we've learned here, children, we must wait till this dries until we can proceed with caution. Okay, yeah. Gotta keep dipping it in like a freaking paintbrush. This is one thing I didn't like. Sorry, JUVIA'S Place, but like, come on. Gotta keep dipping it and stuff. It's not, we don't wait in the 1800s with the feather pens and whatnot. Like, come on, me. I do like the vibrancy of the colors. I think they're really nice. So I think these are great if you're going like out to a rave and stuff, you know, like if you want to draw some things on your eyes, if you want to just wear the eyeliner, I think it's great. So I'm going to be taking this off and I'm going to come back and we're going to try Pink Hibiscus and Cobalt Blue. Wow. BRB. Just make sure it's all the way dry though, because just look at this JUVIA'S Place. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Back, and I just realized I don't have any oil, so I'm surprised that all my lashes are still on my face. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be putting these on because, like I said, I don't have any oil, so it's okay. My face wash is doing fine. My face wash is doing fine. It's doing fine. Okay, it's doing fine. We're gonna try the Pink Hibiscus first. Let's see what this beautiful girl can do. Really pretty. Yeah, it's really pretty. We can draw maybe like a little flower over here. And then we're gonna fill in the flower with the blue, with the cobalt blue, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, you know, just to see how it does drawing. If you're a artist, if you're a drawer. Ooh, this cobalt blue is quite cobalt. It's not very easy to draw a wing with this, but okay, so what do we think? What do we think? What do we think? Let's finish our flower over here. Oh, yeah, that looks really horrible. Wow. I don't think I'll be drawing a flower with these. So cute. Wow. Maybe if I had a mirror, you know, I could make the flower work better. This is my product review on these JUVIA'S Place liners. If you want to buy them, go right ahead. They're very vibrant. That's the only thing I'm going to say about them. Otherwise, still don't really like the tip of the brush. I don't like how they glide onto the eye very much. And like I said, it's very hard to get off your eye unless you have some oil. So it's up to you if you want to buy some. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a ding, 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 a postie. I'll see you in my next video. Stay beautiful, guys.